Here's half of the chicken. You can cut it out. You can get it at the Asian store. And then you want a piece of purple garlic, chop it up. 2 pieces of onion, some green onion on the back end, chop it up and put it in with just cooking oil, and cook it for a little bit. And then once you're done with that, you want to put the chicken in. Let oil up a little bit, stir it around. If you want to add a tablespoon of mushroom-based soup mix, you can get these at the Asian store. A tablespoon of sugar. I would add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then about a tablespoon of fish sauce. Add some pepper into it. Just keep it on high and keep cooking it. I would say about 5 to 10 minutes. Depends how you like it. If you want to be a little bit sweeter, you can add more sugar. Otherwise, see how it tastes like, and just see how you like the flavor to be. Keep cooking it. If you don't want to fry too much, about here would be good. But let's cook it a little bit more. You want to get all those salt and everything in it, so that way it right here. And then here's the finished product. Roasted Asian roasted chicken. Enjoy your meal. Best of all, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys later.